This recently acquired Hardbody is a little dirty, so let's show it some love. Start off by mixing the Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner with water to a 10-to-1 ratio. And then we'll disconnect the negative battery terminal. Since we'll be working with the doors open, we do not want to kill that battery. And we're going to start off with the steering wheel. On the steering wheel, we're just going to use soapy water, but we're going to clean it a few different times because this thing is extra dirty, as you can imagine. Here's a few quick shots of what the vehicle looks like before we get started, besides the steering wheel, of course. And as you can tell, there's a thin layer of dust all over everything. The family member that had this vehicle before me, I don't think he's ever even wiped it down. I know he hasn't detailed it, but as you can tell, there's a lot of dust on there. It's probably been there a while. The next thing we'll clean is the instrument cluster glass. You want to make sure that you do not use a brush when cleaning this. Just use a microfiber towel, put water on it, and wipe in one direction. That way you'll prevent from scratching it up. Once this gets a little bit cleaner, you'll be able to tell where someone has used a paper towel or a napkin to do this in the past, and there's all kinds of scratches there on the bottom left. So not perfect, but much better. I was a little bit worried about scratching the glass, so after a few passes, I went ahead and called it a day on that. So the dash is extremely dirty. There was a thin layer of dust on there, but I kept trying to clean it because it felt tacky, almost like there was still some gunk on it. But I think the dash is just broke down from 25 years of sun beating down on it. And while I was doing this right here, I thought that maybe the cleaner was reacting badly with it and causing it to be even more tacky. So I switched over to just the water and wiped it down. But now that I've watched this video, I don't think that the cleaner had any negative effects on it. May go back, try to clean it a little more, and then add some protectant on there. I did not do that in this step. The air gun works great for getting dust out of the vents in those tight little areas, but I was just doing this step first before you get this far into the detail. So yeah, guys, that was a quick little cleanup. As you can tell, I'm not a professional detailer by no means, but this thing is looking a lot better, and I am pleased with it. If you happen to watch this entire video and you're still here with me, don't forget to like below and think about subscribing.